Welcome to the Fine Travel, where wanderlust meets luxury and the world becomes your playground. Today, we journey to a destination where time slows, water glows, and life feels like a dream. This is Bora Bora, a place often called heaven on water, and once you arrive, you'll understand why. Whether you're planning your honeymoon, seeking a once-in-a-lifetime escape, or just dreaming with your eyes open, Bora Bora delivers serenity, sophistication, and natural beauty in perfect balance. The jewel of the South Pacific, tucked in the heart of French Polynesia, Bora Bora is a volcanic island surrounded by a vibrant lagoon and barrier reef. From the sky, it resembles a painting. Emerald islets ringed by neon blue with the towering peak of Mount Otemanu piercing the clouds. Its lagoon is one of the most photographed in the world, for good reason. The water here glows in shifting shades of sapphire, teal, and aquamarine. It's as if someone turned up the color saturation on the earth itself. This island isn't just scenic, it's spiritual. Many visitors describe a feeling of instant peace as soon as they step foot on its shores. Getting to Bora Bora is part of the adventure. You'll fly into Tahiti, then transfer to a local island hopper or private boat. As you soar above the atolls or glide across the lagoon, that first glimpse of the island will leave you speechless. You're greeted with flower leis, coconut water, and smiles that feel like sunshine. No crowds, no rush, just the rhythm of paradise welcoming you in. The Overwater Bungalow Dream Let's Talk accommodations, because nowhere does luxury like Bora Bora. The iconic Overwater bungalows are more than just rooms. They're private sanctuaries. Step through the door and you're greeted by hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, and massive windows that frame the sea. Glass panels in the floor let you watch fish swim beneath your feet. Outside, your private deck includes lounge chairs, a ladder into the lagoon, and often, a personal plunge pool or hammock suspended over the water. It's not just where you stay, it's where you feel alive. Bora Bora isn't just for sunbathing, it's a playground for the adventurous. Snorkel among coral gardens that feel like underwater rainbows. Swim with gentle stingrays and colorful reef fish. Take a jet ski around the island, or go paddleboarding with Mount Otemanu in the distance. You can even book a glass-bottom boat tour or a guided shark encounter for the thrill seekers. Every ripple in the water here carries possibility. After adventure comes indulgence. Many resorts offer overwater spas where you can enjoy a massage with nothing but ocean sounds around you. Enjoy a floating breakfast delivered to your villa, or relax in a jacuzzi as the sun paints the sky in shades of pink and gold. Bora Bora blends barefoot living with five-star pampering. It's a masterclass in relaxation. There's more to Bora Bora than beauty. There's culture, soul, and tradition. Take a trip to Vaitape, the main town, and explore local artisan markets. Here you'll find handcrafted jewelry, perios, black pearls, and coconut oils. Attend a Polynesian dance show, fire dancers and drummers who tell stories through rhythm and movement. The people of Bora Bora are warm, welcoming, and proud to share their paradise. Dining in the island's Bora Bora cuisine is a delicious fusion of French flair and tropical freshness. Expect fresh tuna, coconut milk, vanilla sauces, and the famous poisson cru **, a raw fish salad that's rich and refreshing. Book a private dinner on a sandbank. Sip champagne during sunset, or enjoy room service on your deck while the stars twinkle above the lagoon. Here, even the food feels like a vacation. The sunset you'll never forget. Sunsets in Bora Bora are otherworldly. The sun sinks behind Mount Otemanu, lighting the clouds in fiery orange and soft lilac. The water reflects every hue, the air becomes still. Couples gather on their decks, drinks in hand, hearts full. It's not just the end of the day, it's a moment that will stay with you forever. As your Bora Bora experience comes to a close, take one last breath of that island air. Let the colors, the peace, the luxury stay with you. This is more than travel. It's the fine travel, where beauty, culture, and elegance come together to create something unforgettable. Until next time, paradise awaits.